Just assume that it's easy and watch how your life shifts. Hi you guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Jyotsna, and in today's video I want to remind you that whatever you assume is what you see in your reality. So why would you want to assume something is hard, something is difficult? This is what I tell all my clients. If you want to get something and you want to receive something at lightning speed, the first assumption that you will have is you have to assume that it is easy for you. If you want to see a sudden shift in your life, if you want to get a desire quickly and as soon as possible, then assuming that it is easy for you to receive it is the first and the foremost assumption you can possibly have. Because at the end of the day, you are the creator of your reality. You get to decide if something is easy or difficult for you. So why would you want to focus on the latter? Why would you want to focus on thinking that something is difficult for you or something is unattainable or impossible for you? Because whatever you focus on, that's what grows in your reality. So why not just normalize and think something is easy for you? Yes, it is easy for you to get your dream body. Yes, it is easy for you to be in your dream relationship. And why it works so quickly when you assume something is easy? Because you are normalizing it in your mind. In your subconscious mind, you're feeding the fact and the belief that it is easy for you to get it. It is easy for you to receive whatever it is that you want. Because the more you keep affirming and assuming that it is easy for you, your subconscious mind is going to believe that it's a true fact, and it's going to think, yeah, of course it's easy, so it'll just bring it into your physical reality. And yes, self concept affirmations work like magic. I have my own self concept affirmations, which you can grab from my ebook, Just Affirm Bestie. But other than self concept affirmations, when you assume something is easy for you, you kind of normalize it. And a lot of my clients ask me this question like, okay, I will try to assume that it is easy for me, but what if other people in my life are telling me that it's difficult? What if other people are telling me that it's hard? What do I do when, there is an influence of other people? And what I keep telling them is, do not let other people's limiting beliefs project onto you. 3 years ago, I was a different person too. I had a lot of limiting beliefs that I had to let go and release in order to become the best version of myself. So, of course, all of us are growing, all of us are evolving. The more you develop an abundance mindset, the more you think that things are easy and possible for you. So, if there is something that someone is telling you that is hard for them, it is their thinking pattern, their limiting beliefs that is dominating. Like, this is what I told in my previous video as well. Assume that you are the exception. So, if in your family everyone thinks it is very hard to get into that college, or it is very hard to lose weight, or if they have any other negative belief, like maybe something like it is very hard to crack a job in one of the best FMCG companies, like whatever their assumption and their beliefs are, don't let that control your own reality. Every single desire you have, and in any area of your life, whether it's money, whether it's opportunities, whether it's dream job, it all becomes possible for you the second you decide it is possible for you. Yes, there are going to be people who will always project their own fears, their own insecurities onto you, but it is your duty not to let that control your reality. Because at the end of the day, you are the creator of your reality. Whatever your thoughts are, whatever your assumptions are, and whatever beliefs you hold about yourself, that is what is projected in your physical reality. Your life is literally a mirror of your thoughts. Why not assume that you are an identity match to your desires? Why not assume that it gets to be easy for you? Like, maybe for others it's a little difficult, but you are the exception. It gets to be easy for you. Like, let me tell you a simple story. Like, today I felt very lethargic. I was very moody in the morning. I was very low on energy. I'm currently in my luteal phase, which is a phase that I don't like in my cycle. Whenever I'm in my luteal phase, I'm always very lazy, very like moody, and I just don't feel like doing anything. And again, this is not something that you ideally have to do. This is what I want to do in order to push myself and to discipline myself. Of course, if you have to take a break, you have to have a rest day, you can totally do that. But for me personally, I really, really wanted to film today, but I just wasn't in the mood and I just felt very low on energy. And that is when I told myself, why am I assuming that filming is hard? Why am I assuming that doing something that I love doing, posting something that I love posting, why am I considering that hard? Let me assume that it gets to be easy. Let me assume that it's fun for me, it's easy for me. Like, I can just pull out my camera, walk anywhere I want to, and if I feel lazy, I can do it in my house as well. And in the morning when I woke up, I just assumed life is so easy for me. Like, life is so simple, life is so good to me. You guys know I love my affirmations. I'm always affirming my self concept affirmations whenever I'm having my cup of coffee. That is what I enjoy the the most, like just repeating my own self concept affirmations every single day. I also like listening to my tape personally, but today in the morning, like I told you guys, I'm in my luteal phase. I just didn't feel like doing anything. I just thought to myself, okay, I don't have to listen to a tape. I don't have to, read out my affirmations or list them out in front of the mirror that I usually do. I can just affirm and think in my mind that life is so easy for me. Like, life is just so good to me. And I just decided I'm not going to push myself, I'm not going to pressurize myself. I'm just going to feel good and I'm just going to focus on feeling good. After that, if I feel like taking the action, I'll take the action. If not, I'll just sit at home, I will chill, I will have my lazy day. And I kept affirming this while sipping my coffee, that life is so good to me, life just gets better and better. And if you have realized or not, I wasn't affirming anything related to self concept. I wasn't affirming anything related to me. I was only affirming about my life. I was only affirming about how it is so easy for me to just have a great day, how it is so easy for me to just be in a positive mood. The reason why these affirmations work so well is the second I kept affirming repeatedly that life is so good to me, life just gets better and better, automatically it just shifted my mood. Like, I instantly felt so good, I instantly felt so positive, I instantly felt so motivated to actually get my camera out and to come outside, take a walk, and just hang out here. When I affirmed repeatedly for like 10-15 minutes, I automatically felt an instant shift in my energy, in my mood, and I felt like taking the action to just come out of the house. I didn't feel like sitting in the house anymore. So it is actually a very simple trick in order to push yourself. So whenever you want to take that aligned action, or whenever you get this calling to do something, then this is actually a very simple trick in order to manifest any desire that you have. Whatever it is that you want, whatever desire that is, hold that thought in your mind. Make a simple affirmation statement. It doesn't even have to be a self concept affirmation, it can be anything. Like, it is so easy for me to get my dream job, or it is so easy for me to buy my designer dream bag. Like, whatever it is, just add the word easy so that you normalize it in your mind and think, oh wait, it is so easy for me to get this, or life is so easy for me, like I really enjoy my life. Whatever it is, just make up a simple affirmation statement and affirm it in your mind continuously. Your subconscious mind loves listening to your thoughts, it loves taking in your assumptions as if they're real true facts about your life. So the more you assume something is very easy for you, something is very simple for you, you are the exception, you can get whatever you want, your subconscious mind automatically throws nudges, it automatically gives you signs on what you can do in order to take that action in your life. Remember, your thoughts create beliefs, and your beliefs create the action that you need to take in your 3D. And the second you take that inspired action, that is when miracles happen. This is nothing but all about alignment, all about embodying the version of you that already has everything that they want. You can expect miracles, you can expect all your dreams to turn into reality as soon as you normalize and assume it is easy for you. So the next time you're struggling with something, the next time you're unsure about your desires, you're doubting whether something is coming into your life or not, or you're just basically contemplating life, or you're just in a bad mood like how I was today, then just assume that it gets to be easy for you, that you are the exception and things just work in your favor all the time. Like, that is the rule that you created in your reality. So you know you're the creator of your reality, so you can make your own rules, because your life is simple and your life is easy and your life is amazing. So that was it for today's video, you guys. If you want a quantum jump into your desired reality, I have an entire course that teaches you how to do that in less than 14 days. You can grab Manifest instantly. It's available on TopMate, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Lots of love. Bye.